In this brief video, I will talk about the derivation of the solar heat gain coefficient for frames of windows and other fenestrations. This is a paper that's published in ASHRAE Transactions, Volume 105, Part 2. This was published in 1999. And this is a paper that explains the calculation of solar heat gain coefficient of window frames. And we need this information for you to understand the equation that's used in the textbook. The equation in question is this one that's in the textbook. This is equation 731. This equation shows you how to calculate the solar heat gain coefficient for the frames of a window. The textbook gives no detailed explanation as to how this equation was arrived at, and the derivation can be found in the paper that I just mentioned. So the explanation can be found in this paper. This is a schematic that shows the window frame, and a few important concepts is this one. This is the surface area of the window frame, and this is the projected area of the window frame. We're looking at the cross section, so remember there's another dimension in order to understand the area concept. And this paper provides a very clear derivation and explanation to this equation. This equation over here is essentially the same as the one that's found in the McQuiston textbook. And for those of you who are interested, please read this paper. I'll make this paper available on eCampus so you can read it. And it should be a quick read. It shouldn't take you more than 20 minutes to understand this thing. So this part of the paper is important for the derivation. So if you read, I suggest you pay attention to this part